From vacation approvals to calendar syncs, with SuperPlanner, you can automate common planning processes directly from Monday.com. There are two ways to use SuperPlanner automations. The first is through Monday.com's built-in automation center, where you'll find ready-made SuperPlanner recipes. The second is to create custom automations with any trigger you need. Then select one of SuperPlanner's automation actions. In this video, we'll look at 3 practical use cases that can help automate your planning process. Let's start with vacation management. Many teams still manage vacations manually, which often leads to scheduling conflicts and inaccurate capacity planning. Instead, we can have employees submit vacation requests into a dedicated board and create an automation that triggers whenever the vacation status changes to approved. The automation will automatically create a PTO entry in SuperPlanner for the selected employee. So once James's request is approved, SuperPlanner automatically creates the PTO entry. When we open SuperPlanner, we can immediately see James's vacation reflected in the workload views. No manual updates required. But what happens if the vacation is canceled? We can create another automation that triggers when the status changes from approved to rejected. This automation automatically removes the PTO entry from SuperPlanner, ensuring capacity remains accurate at all times. Our second use case is for teams that prefer working with Monday.com's time tracking column. We'll create a SuperPlanner automation that says whenever the time tracking column changes, SuperPlanner automatically converts the tracked time into actual effort hours. This means your team can continue using their preferred tracking method, while SuperPlanner automatically updates resource allocation and reporting based on actual hours. No manual calculations, no duplicate updates. Our final use case is syncing calendar events. In this example, we'll use Google Calendar, but keep in mind SuperPlanner can also integrate with other calendar platforms. Many teams spend hours in meetings, but that time isn't always reflected in capacity planning. Let's make it that way. We'll start by connecting a Monday.com board to Google Calendar and an automation that says whenever a new calendar event is created, Monday.com automatically creates a new item in the board. Next, we'll use a SuperPlanner automation to automatically calculate the duration of the meeting and convert it into effort hours. As soon as the item is created, SuperPlanner calculates the number of hours and updates the workload accordingly. Now, when we create a meeting in our Google Calendar, the event automatically appears on the board, the duration is calculated, and the meeting hours are immediately reflected in SuperPlanner. With SuperPlanner automations, your workload data stays accurate without manual updates. See you next time.